Hello, welcome to our video guide for the Sustainability Performance and Reporting Kit, brought to you by Climate Action Business Association. This is an overview of SPaRK's planning, tracking, and reporting capabilities. We will briefly cover the following topics: understanding your dashboard and setting up your company's data and metrics. Let's take a look at this tool. At the top, you will find a row of buttons which you may click on at any time to transport yourself to the section that you need. Reading from left to right, your first button is called Workflow. This section provides guidance on which tools to use at each stage of your company's internal sustainability implementation. Next, let's take a look at the Company Setup button. This is where you can set up your time span and your baseline year for each respective metric. This section is also where you define your facilities, company-owned vehicles, and revenue per square footage. Notice that we have color-coded this tool, and all the cells that are marked bright yellow are designated for data entry. After you've entered the necessary company info, head over to Dashboard. Your dashboard includes several self-populating tables and graphs. The information that you enter in data entry section gets automatically sorted and reported into these tables. Let's take a look at the energy table. Start with the first column called Total Energy Use. It is populated with information about total electricity, natural gas and oil consumed, and displayed by year. Then you have energy intensity based on the square footage of your facilities and the percentage change in energy intensity. Also, percentage change in annual terms is displayed with each category. Lastly, we have a column titled Goal. The value here states 50%, but reduction goals are always individual. CABA will work with you to determine a meaningful yet achievable goal. In graphs below, you may observe trends of different metrics over time, such as percentage in reduction of energy intensity, percentage of total waste recycled, and reduction in water consumption. These graphs can be customized to visualize any part of your data that you might need. Next, we have our Metrics Setup button. This is an important part of your planning activities because this is where you define your data measurements, reporting frequency, and data governance. The metrics are preset for an average business, and if you feel like your business has different needs, please consult a CABA representative. Next comes the data entry section. There are several categories in this section, including energy, waste, water, and transport. Notice that you have the same categories in the review performance section. This was made specifically for easy access to review your performance. Let's take a closer look at the data entry section. Each section is different and will require looking for the data that you wish to enter and analyze. So we will go over an example. I will click on the waste category and we will look over this entry table. You have several columns here. First, specify your timeline. The location and material type columns are drop-down menus, so you may simply pick and choose. Then, specify the amount of waste in the pounds or tons and cost per unit. This is the end of our first tutorial. In our next video, we will go over the review and analysis sections. Thank you for watching.